Hello everyone, my name is Arun and I built this app called AI Tutor Solid Mechanics. So my intention was to make an app, an AI tutor for engineering students, as many students are dropping out because they find it hard, and not because of the teachers, but because they don't understand the way they teach. Some people are visual learners, and AI, if it's beneficial using visual learning techniques, then it would be a very useful method for teaching, and people would understand the code, and this would revolutionize uh, more qualitative engineers and learning perspectives. Visual learning is really important even for AI. I'll show you an example as I go. So I built this using HTML backend .py and Cargo TML and Rust basically. So in order to run the code, you open the terminal, you go to just type in Python back space back.py to run the server. Now let's not waste time. You go to the next HTML file, and there I would show you how it is done, how my app works basically. So basically, here backend I use the training methods, so the questions and everything is inserted through here, and then the server side, and you can press Ctrl C to quit it. And this is where I put the questions, and this is where my answers come from. This is answer key, and I actually did a fusion of both. Since Rust has become popular these days, I thought of using it. It's much faster than C in many aspects. How else? This is my app, the Visualization Learner app. So as default, I just put the login credentials, and here I could just log in by this, or I could sign up, or when I click forget password, and since it's a demo, it doesn't work. I didn't set API keys for this email and stuff. So you can type in whatever you want, so it won't validate, and then you could, just type in your code, and then if you want, you can resend your ADP or verification ODP. And let's just go back. And if you don't have an account, you can just register. So showing a demo version of this. Just showing a demo, and now you can see it's gonna sign in. Actually, I could here it'll show you the dates, and these are your inbox and your profile. So when you log in, you would know. Now, when I create a new plan, a file card will open. Actually, this took me. This is where I was talking about visual. AI is also a visual learner, because in order to create this file, its details, I had to put in a big description, and it was all faulty. So I had to, draw it in paper, pen and paper, then input each drawing like a tutorial step, each of the drawing like in order for it to understand. Then it understood and finally gave me this code. As you can see, I can change the orientation for it to look cool. So it'll be like uh, from old Jarvis user UX UI, and this would actually attract the students and keep them in a good environment, in a learning environment. I can change, I can delete or rename this to Plan 5. The thing is, I could add more files, and I could just scroll down. Or let's say I have like 30 or 40,000. Scrolling down is a lot, so I could just, type in the name, and I could get over here, and I can click it, or let's say I'll click on it. You could also click from here, and this thing will pop up the chat box. Here you type in, this is a AI. You can ask questions about pension, it'll tell you all the formulas, and it'll give you the formulas here, and whatever sums you're uploading, it'll give you the workings problem. Here, when you click animate, it'll show you the sums animation over here. Somewhat it'll be like this. In this theme, it'll show you your, let's say beam is bending, it'll show you a beam is bending or two. So this is what is important for visual learners, as it is saying. This is what is important for visual learners, as it is saying how we are giving a description, formulas, and visual learning. This would put in give you a more input on the subject, and you would easily understand its core. So that's how it works. And I used Hugging Face AI token for this. And yeah, I could have used ChatGPT or any other tokens, but those were priced. So yeah, thank you.